channel. My today's recipe is a restaurant style mixed dal tadka. I will show you everything that you need to recreate a restaurant style dal tadka in your home kitchen. My channel all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. To make the mixed dal tadka, first we are going to pressure cook the dal. For that, here I have taken 1 cup of urad dal, which I'm adding. And 1 cup of masoor dal. You can actually use other dals, moong or tur, your preference. And now to this I will add 5 cups of water and a little bit of salt, and let's mix this. And now we will pressure cook the dal for 2 to 3 whistles or till the dal is cooked. As the dal is getting pressure cooked, we will start making our masala. For that, here I have 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So I'm adding the oil and wait for the oil to be heated up. The oil is now hot. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. And now we will fry this for 30 to 40 seconds till the cumin seeds start spluttering. The cumin seeds are now spluttering. Now I will add 1 large onion, about 200 grams, finely chopped. And now we will fry the onions till they turn reddish brown and caramelize. The onions have now caramelized. Now I will add 1.5 inches of finely chopped ginger and 5 to 6 garlic cloves, finely chopped as well. And now we will fry this at a medium to a medium low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes till we no longer get any raw smell of the ginger garlic. It's been another 3 minutes and I'm no longer getting any raw smell of the ginger garlic. Now I will add 1 large tomato, 150 grams, finely chopped, and also add a few dry powdered spices, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. And now we will mix all of this together and saute this for another 2 to 3 minutes. It's been another 2 minutes. Now I will add some salt and we will continue to fry our masala till the tomatoes become completely soft and we can see oil separating out. This takes somewhere between 4 to 5 minutes. The tomatoes have become completely soft and we can see the oil separating out. So our masala is nicely fried. Now we will add quite a bit of chopped coriander leaves and also add a tablespoon of kasuri methi. We will crush that between our hands and add that. And now we will mix all of this well together for about a minute. I have mixed everything well together for a minute and our masala is now completely ready. Now let's go ahead and check on the dal. I have given it about 3 whistles and I've let the pressure settle on its own. Now we will make sure that the dal is cooked all the way. So here you can see that the dal is really well cooked. Now we will go ahead and add the dal to the masala. To the masala, now I will add the cooked dal. So here I'm adding the cooked dal. And now mix the dal well with the masala and cook this for about 2 minutes. I've mixed the dal really well with the masala. Now we will add some water. So here I'm using warm water. So you can add as much water as you prefer in terms of the consistency. And again, mix everything well together once. Also taste for salt. If you feel like you need to add more salt, then go ahead and add it. And now we will cover this with a lid and let the water come to a boil. As the water is coming to a boil, we will move to our final step, which is making the tadka or the chalk. To make the dal tadka, first I will add 1.5 tablespoons of ghee and wait for the ghee to be heated up first. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 Kashmiri red chilies and 3 to 4 garlic cloves finely chopped. And now at a medium low flame, we will fry this for 30 to 40 seconds. Now completely lower the flame, or you may turn off the stove too at this stage, and we will add a 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili. This is for color. It's really important to keep the flame really low, or just turn off the stove, otherwise the masala will get burnt. And now we will mix all of this together for another 30 seconds, and then our tadka is ready. Our water has now come to a boil. Now the final thing to do is adding the tadka which we just made. And now our restaurant style dal tadka is completely ready. Please try the recipe this way and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Thank you so very much for watching my channel.